Today is a very exciting day for the YouTube channel because we're going to be announcing something huge. And for almost 2 years, every video has been built off of this Duramax. And it's been such an incredible journey, but with the parts getting more expensive and my build almost coming to an end, and mostly only cosmetic stuff left after a few expensive performance mods, I needed something else for the channel that I could make videos off of and just start fresh, basically, because for a while this Duramax has been almost done performance wise. So let's take the Duramax, drive over across the parking lot, and let's introduce the new car to the channel. I am currently standing in front of the new car to the channel, and it's about time I showed you guys. I've been teasing it for about a couple weeks, and if you follow me on Instagram, I already announced what the car is, but I have purchased a Z28 Camaro from 1999 LS1. Now, the Camaro is wrecked, obviously. It has a couple issues with it, so let's quickly go over those real quick. Now, starting with the passenger side, the wheel is completely bent in. Probably gonna need a whole suspension job on this side. The bumper is not in the best shape ever, especially the driver's side, but the suspension on this side isn't nearly as bad. I think only one thing got bent on this side, but besides that, and the rear suspension. Okay, let's look at the rear suspension. It's kind of touching the back, so we're gonna have to deal with that. I'm gonna take off this trim piece soon. There was some side skirts and there was a front lip too that I took off already. But this car is gonna need some work, but it's okay because we need some content for the channel. And what better way to introduce some new content to the channel than doing a project build? This won't take much to get drivable, but to make it look pretty again, that's gonna take a lot of work. And what I want to do to this car is gonna take a lot of work as well. I'm talking headers, I'm talking cam, I'm talking all that good stuff. Eventually, might even turbo it. Maybe supercharged though, but I don't know. I need to do some research and do it, but I'd rather have a turbo. Of course, I wanna get a couple things done in today's video. I wanna move this sucker over, but how are we gonna do that when the wheel literally drives over the whole body? I mean, we already tried. Well, I got a solution for that. We are gonna attempt to put some wheel dollies under this wheel and see if we could limp it over a spot. I forgot to mention to you guys, this definitely still runs. It's just suspension stuff that we gotta worry about fixing. So we're gonna be starting it, we're gonna be limping it over, and pretty much check out the car from there. All right, hopefully this works. I think we're good. All right. Nothing happened. All right. As you can see, we don't have power, but that's okay because I have a backup plan. Our good friends at Offsite sent over their 6,000 amp car jumper, so I'm gonna show it to you guys. What perfect way to show off a product though, by having to use it for the new car. Look at that beautiful LS1 engine. Okay. We are connected. Let's see if it starts at first try. We just got her started and she sounds amazing. I don't think she's happy being sideways though. So let's try to move her as fast as possible. If you were impressed on the performance of the 6,000 amp car jumper from Novsite, you can pick it up with the code Durpamax at checkout to save you 20% off. Thank you, Novsite, for sending it over. And I truly recommend it as a must-have emergency tool to have on your car. Okay, I'm about to drive my Camaro for the first time and it's wrecked. Gotta go slow. So far, so good. We definitely moved it over. Let's see how far we moved it over though. We moved it over quite a bit actually. Hold on. How did the wheel cart stand up? Well, it's doing great. So I'm gonna get a spotter out here so I can see what I'm doing from the outside. We're gonna move it over fully. There we have it. I have both of my vehicles next to each other. What a incredible just time period. I want to thank you guys so much for the support. I truly appreciate it. I cannot wait for what's to come. If you have any ideas for the car, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Shorter video today, but a very exciting one to say the least. We would have done a lot more today, but the winter hours just have such a strain on time that by the time I get going with my swing shift schedule, it's already dark. So I appreciate you guys. See you in the next rebuild video. Derp to the max.